Hi guys, welcome to WebSense Pro. Welcome to another tutorial video related to AI agents. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create an SEO AI agent which will automatically scrape your website and give you on-page SEO audit report, which will be super detailed and it will help you rank your website better in Google. So if you want to learn, keep watching the video where I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step process on how you can do that completely for free. You just need to know how to create a workflow in N8N, which I am going to show you guys right now in this video. So make sure to watch the complete video and do not forget to subscribe the channel if you want to learn more about AI agents and automation, because I'll be creating a lot more content for this AI related stuff. So as you can see on my screen, we have this N8N workflow which will automatically scrape the website and it will communicate using Google Gemini model, which is the latest 2.5 pro model, and it's going to give you a detailed analysis of your website, that what you have missing on your website and what should be fixed, etc, etc. And all you have to do is, just after creating this workflow, which I'm going to show you how, just click on test workflow and you will need to add in your landing page URL. And once you will add your landing page URL, you will have a detailed report on your email related to your website. So I'm just going to add in my own website to see what are the issues which I have on my website. I'm just going to add this website URL, then click on submit and then close this pop-up window. And you can see our workflow is working and it's going to take few seconds and then send us a detailed report related to our website, all of the issues which we have on our website related to SEO and how we can improve that. Okay guys, our workflow has been executed, and if I go to my email now, you can see that we have this on-page technical audit ready to be viewed, and these are the critical issues which it's saying. Open graph title is this here, which is not consistent with the tag. Open graph description is inconsistent. Article modified time meta tag is this, which is the future date, and all of that kind of stuff. Multiple important images are missing, descriptive alt attributes. These are the quick wins, and these are the issues related to page speed and performance. And these are the plugins which we have significant overhead on our website. That's the issue with the structure data. All of the details which you will need to improve on your website, ready to be fixed, automatically be received completely for free using this AI agent. And it's a complete detailed report. If you implement that, you will definitely rank higher on Google. I'm going to show you guys how you can implement that, and it's using free Google Gemini chat model. So you're not charged for using this API, which is completely free. That's the free tier of the Google Gemini. So if you use more than 200k tokens, it's going to charge you $1.25 for the prompts which you will be using, and it's using way more less than that. So I'm not being charged for using the API key, which we will be using this on this workflow. Now let me show you guys how you can create this workflow on your own in N8N and how you can do SEO audits just like I did right now. Okay, one thing, you should have N8N Cloud or N8N self-hosted. I'm using N8N self-hosted and it is hosted on Google Cloud Console. If you want to learn how to use N8N completely for free using Google Cloud, there is the link in the description for the video which will teach you guys how you can install N8N in Google Cloud completely for free, so you don't have to pay €20 monthly free to N8N for the cloud version. Okay, so once you are on the N8N, and I am going to leave without saving. Now that's my N8N dashboard. I already have some previous workflows. I am going to create a new workflow for this SEO AI agent. So click on create workflow, and here we have our workflow, and we will be using this template here, the JSON template. You will find the link in the description. So all you have to do is just click on copy code button and then paste the code here in N8N, and it's going to add the workflow completely for you. You don't have to create the workflow manually. So I'm just going to press Command V after copying this code. If you are on Windows, you will be pressing Control V. Okay, so I'm going to press Command V as I'm on Mac, and here we go. Our N8N AI agent is ready to be implemented and ready to be executed. Now, once you do that, you will have a red color arrow showing up here to add the Google Gemini chat model API key. And how you will do that? So you'll just simply double click here, and here you will need the API account. So let me show you how you can do that. You will not see anything here. So just click here and then click on create new credential. Once you click on create new credential, you will need to go to aistudio.google.com, and that's how the screen will look like to you. And once you go there, click on get API key and then scroll down, and here it will generate an API key for you. As you can see, the plan is free, and you can see your view usage data as well. And if your prompt is less than 200 tokens, you will not be charged, and you will need to select this model here, which is Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental 325. They released that on 25th March, so make sure to select that model. Once you are on aistudio.google.com, click on get API key, and all you have to do is just click on this API key and then copy the API key. Once the API key is copied, you will go here on N8N and then paste your API key. I'm going to paste my API key and then click on save. And you can see our credential is connected. Similarly, what you have to do is just go on this Gemini chat model here again and do the same step. Create the API, just select the account which we created. You will already see the account as we have already created the connection. So just select that account and make sure to select this same model. They have multiple models, so you need to make sure that you select Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental 325 and on that other node as well. So I'm just gonna go this here and select this model Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental, right? Once you do that, you will need to connect your Gmail account for sending you an email. And how you can do that, I have created a separate video on how you can connect your Google account with N8N. Link will be in the description. Super simple video, less than 5 minutes. So you can simply go to Gmail, double click on that and create your credentials and connect your Google account with that. Make sure to watch that other video as well, which will teach you how you can connect your Google Gmail or Google Drive if you want to use Google Drive for that. Once you do that, all you have to do is just click on test workflow, and it's going to give you a pop-up for whatever website you want to add in. I have this my website. I am going to pick a different website this time. Which one we should pick? So SEO web designers in New York. I'm just gonna put in the random website URL to test. So let's take this website, webshopmanager.com. I'm gonna use this website and see if it shows the issues with SEO on this website, webshopmanager.com. Okay, that's the URL, and then click on submit. And then go back to the N8N workflow. You can see it's working. It's going to take a few seconds in order to complete the workflow. And once the workflow is completely executed, it's going to send us an email about all of the issues related to SEO on that website. And again, this is completely free to use. You should just know how to self-host N8N, and you can use this free Google Gemini API key to extract all the information from your website and process it with the chat model and give you the results on your email. Okay guys, our workflow has been executed, and if I go to my email, you can see that we got the audit report, and these are the issues with the website. Large inline JavaScript, so they have this huge JavaScript. So they have then empty lang attribute, and they have this issue contains only the brand name. So they have a meta tag which does contain only the brand name. It doesn't add the specific page title or anything else. Twitter tag. So these are the issues, and these are the quick wins, which are the small issues which can be fixed really quickly. Correct the HTML entity. So it's a pretty detailed report which you guys can fix on your website and rank better on Google. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys like this video where you will be able to create a free SEO AI agent which will do the audit of your website and give you suggestion on how you can improve your website better for Google. That's it for the video. Until next video, have a great day.